become the Brokeback Skoolie?
We put a really heavy trailer on it, and then we put a full-size Jeep inside of the said trailer and drove it through the whoop sections of Wyoming.
So it didn't actually have anything on the bed portion. It was just the towing weight of the trailer.
Well, we had
and the rust damage, obviously.
We had the Jeep on it from northern Kentucky to Chicago. Then we took the Jeep off, which may or may not have started said process.
This Jeep?
Yep. This older V8 Jeep. But in the process, it did a little damage to the back of the bus. So
we're bobbing.
Yeah, we're going to turn it into a little hot rod bus.
Saw the damage. Let's see. We're going to try to notch the frame rail and wrap it around to use it as a bumper.
Do a little hot action happen?
Oh yeah. When the rust is too thick, sometimes you gotta get the torch out. Hold on.
I was just trying to think of what would save everybody the most work and time and everything.
Well, if the tank's out, that's the big thing. If you use those other frame rails, because they're shorter than this, I think, we can always put it in, you box it in, and then go in and you do stitch welding, like 2 or 3 inch. Doesn't matter. Going across the wheel wells. Okay, yeah, we have room. Tank will fit all the way across.
So that's
I think that's legal as soon as you're out of Oregon. So leave Oregon.
Grab that hose like a man.
The gas tank?
Yeah, it's just those 2 lines, your 2 mats and your 2 wires, yeah. You ready?
Yep.
nice. Not bad at all.
All right, level. All right, we're clear. Whoa, wait. Gotta get this going, bro. Okay.
Pile of stuff. Look at that.
That's crazy. Well, technically no, because it was never supposed to be like this.
Yep, right there, you're good. Okay, shove her in.
So we jacked it up, took the wheels off on both sides, and fixed the frame and then reinforced the frame on both sides really well. And then we added some 2x3s tubing along the frame rails on both sides to add some structure to it as well. We cut all that bad bed off. We left just enough to hold the fuel tank, which the fuel tank will eventually get a little bit better area, but for right now it's going to sit right here. And then we just came in at close to 45s on both sides to the frame. We had some ramps that they actually gave me with the bus that they used to load vehicles on the back. And when we cut this frame to shore it up and to get everything tied together, we just used a piece of frame, which is off of a Freightliner, to slap in there, and then we mounted the hitch to it. So we got enough now for the tank, the generator to rock.
It's taken us 6 days.
Yeah.
Special thanks to Jeremy Wilcuts
Yeah,
for
definitely.
allowing us to use his shop, and Jamie Baxter and Randy
Matt
Woj.
Wilkie.
Yeah, Matt Milkey, Randy Wojan.
Christina Bisconer brought us pizza.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
The Mrs. Shayna
Jesse
ran.
Matson.
Jesse did all the video, and Shayna made 64,000 trips to the hardware store for us and kept us loaded down with Mountain Dews and cold drinks and stuff. Our whole goal wasn't just to fix the issue, it was to make it to where you can now hook up to whatever, go towing, and not really have to worry. And I really think we've accomplished that.
I gave him a 5-minute, 5-mile warranty.